What if one of the most feared attack aircraft in history became even deadlier? What if a warplane designed during the Cold War, a machine many experts predicted would be retired decades ago, could evolve into something more lethal, more survivable, and more dangerous than ever before? For over 50 years, the A-10 has terrorized tanks, destroyed enemy formations, and saved countless friendly troops on the battlefield. Its unmistakable silhouette, its titanium armor, and its legendary GAU-8 Avenger cannon have made it one of the most iconic military aircraft ever built. But now, a new chapter has emerged. A modernization program designed to transform the aging Warthog into a digital battlefield predator. A new snake in the grass. A hunter equipped for 21st century warfare. This is the A-10 Black Snake. Before we begin, make sure to subscribe to Armory Unveiled and turn on notifications for more deep dives into the world's most powerful military technologies. Now, let's uncover the story of America's newest battlefield serpent. Before we can understand the Black Snake, we must first understand the aircraft that inspired it. The legendary A-10 Thunderbolt II, born during the Cold War, designed for one purpose: destroy Soviet tanks. The aircraft emerged from fears that massive armored formations would sweep across Europe. America needed something capable of stopping them. Not a sleek fighter, not a strategic bomber, but a flying tank killer. The result was unlike anything else in the skies. Twin engines, straight wings, massive survivability, and a giant cannon attached to an airplane. Or perhaps, an airplane attached to a giant cannon. At the heart of the A-10 lies its most terrifying weapon, the GAU-8 Avenger, a 30mm rotary cannon, capable of firing thousands of armor-piercing rounds per minute. When the trigger is pulled, the entire aircraft seems to recoil. The distinctive brrrt sound has become legendary. For enemy tank crews, hearing that sound often meant disaster. The cannon could tear through armored vehicles, destroy fortified positions, and provide devastating close air support. Even decades later, few weapons inspire the same level of respect. One reason the A-10 became famous was its ability to survive. The aircraft was designed to absorb punishment. Its cockpit sits inside a titanium armored bathtub. Critical systems are protected. Flight controls are redundant. Fuel tanks are shielded. Engines are separated. Pilots have returned home with massive battle damage, missing hydraulic systems, destroyed wing sections, and severe structural damage. Yet the aircraft continued flying. It became a symbol of toughness, a warrior that refused to die. The A-10 proved itself in combat. From Operation Desert Storm to Afghanistan, to Iraq, to Syria. Again and again, ground troops called for help. And again, the Warthog answered. Its ability to loiter over battlefields for hours made it invaluable. Pilots could identify threats, coordinate with troops, and deliver precise firepower. Soldiers often described hearing the A-10 overhead as a tremendous morale boost, because they knew help had arrived. Despite its success, the A-10 faced a constant threat: retirement. Military leaders debated its future. Some argued that advanced fighters could replace it. Others insisted no aircraft could perform close air support as effectively. Year after year, retirement plans appeared. Year after year, the Warthog survived. But survival alone was not enough. The aircraft needed modernization, because modern battlefields were changing rapidly. Today's battlefield is vastly different. Precision-guided missiles, advanced radar systems, electronic warfare, drone swarms, networked air defenses. These threats demand new capabilities. An aircraft designed in the 1970s cannot rely solely on old technology. To remain relevant, the A-10 needed a transformation, a digital evolution, a new identity. The Black Snake, The Black Snake program represents the latest modernization effort for the A-10 fleet. Its goal is simple. Keep the Warthog lethal. Keep it survivable. Keep it relevant. The name itself evokes a dangerous predator. Silent, patient, deadly. Rather than redesigning the aircraft entirely, engineers focused on upgrading its brain, its sensors, its communications, and its battlefield awareness. The result is an aircraft capable of operating in modern combat environments. One of the most significant changes involves the cockpit. Older analog systems are giving way to digital technologies. Modern displays provide pilots with greater awareness. Information arrives faster. Targets are identified more efficiently. Mission planning becomes easier. The aircraft becomes more connected, more intelligent, more effective. This transformation allows pilots to process enormous amounts of battlefield information in real time. The Black Snake isn't just about survivability. It's about precision. Modern warfare increasingly relies on smart weapons, laser-guided bombs, GPS-guided munitions, precision rockets, advanced missiles. The upgraded A-10 can employ an expanding range of precision weapons, allowing it to strike targets with incredible accuracy, while minimizing collateral damage. In modern combat, information is a weapon. The Black Snake is designed to participate in network-centric warfare, sharing data, receiving intelligence, tracking targets, coordinating with other aircraft, and supporting ground forces. The aircraft becomes part of a larger combat ecosystem. Every sensor contributes. Every platform communicates. Every second counts. Pilots today require more information than ever before. Advanced helmet systems provide enhanced situational awareness, target information, navigation data, threat warnings, all delivered directly to the pilot. The Black Snake's upgraded systems help pilots maintain battlefield dominance, even in chaotic combat environments. Despite modernization, the aircraft has not forgotten its roots. The mission remains the same. Destroy enemy armor. Modern tanks are more sophisticated than their Cold War predecessors, yet the Black Snake retains formidable anti-armor capabilities. Combining its legendary cannon with modern precision weapons, it remains a nightmare for armored formations. The future battlefield belongs partly to drones. The Black Snake is being adapted to operate alongside unmanned systems. These drones can scout ahead, identify targets, provide surveillance, and extend the aircraft's reach. This partnership creates a powerful combination. Human judgment, machine persistence. Together, they form a deadly team. No aircraft is more closely associated with close air support than the A-10. The Black Snake enhances this mission. Better sensors, improved communications, greater precision, faster response times. Ground troops receive more effective support, exactly when they need it, exactly where they need it. This remains one of the biggest questions. Can a slow attack aircraft survive against advanced air defenses? The answer depends on how it is used. The Black Snake is not intended to fight alone. It operates within larger military networks, supported by intelligence assets, electronic warfare platforms, fighters, and modern tactics. Used correctly, it remains a valuable weapon. Technology matters, but people matter more. The pilots who fly the A-10 are among the most respected in military aviation. They often operate close to danger, supporting troops under fire, making split-second decisions, and risking their lives to save others. The Black Snake gives them better tools, but their skill remains the aircraft's greatest weapon. Around the world, military analysts continue to debate the aircraft's future. Some see it as outdated, others see it as irreplaceable. Yet even critics acknowledge its combat record. Few aircraft have earned such loyalty from soldiers. Few aircraft have proven themselves so consistently, and few aircraft have adapted so successfully. The future remains uncertain. New aircraft are emerging. New technologies are appearing. New threats are developing. Yet the Black Snake demonstrates a crucial lesson. Sometimes, a proven warrior deserves another chance. Rather than replacing everything old, militaries can modernize what already works. And in the case of the A-10, that philosophy has produced something remarkable. The original Warthog was built to stop Soviet tanks. The Black Snake is built for a different world. A world of drones, networks, precision warfare, and digital battlefields. Yet the spirit remains unchanged. Protect friendly troops, destroy enemy threats, and dominate the battlefield. The A-10 Black Snake represents more than an upgrade. It represents survival, adaptation, evolution, a legendary aircraft refusing to fade into history. From its armored cockpit, to its devastating cannon, to its cutting-edge digital systems, the Black Snake bridges two eras of warfare, the rugged battlefields of the Cold War and the networked conflicts of the future. Whether it serves for years or decades to come, its impact is already undeniable. The Warthog lives on, and now it carries a new name, a new identity, and a new mission. The Black Snake has entered the hunt. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the A-10 Black Snake, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for Armory Unveiled. Tell us in the comments, would you rather fly the A-10 Black Snake or the F-35 in combat? Until next time, stay informed, stay vigilant, and keep your eyes on the battlefield, because the next military revolution may already be taking flight.